Hello everyone, welcome back to Anybody Can Trade ABCT. This is our today's end of the report video. So before we begin traders, if you just look at the charts, the levels which I provided yesterday, how nicely it is respected in Bank Nifty, and same as in case of Nifty as well. So these levels I provide free of cost to everyone one day before in my Telegram channel. You can also join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. And traders, today both Nifty and Bank Nifty opened a gap up, and if you know when there is a good gap up, we gap up or gap down, we use our gap opening strategy using Fibonacci. So we draw one Fibonacci from one swing high to one swing low, and if there is any consolidation below 50% of this level and any breakdown below, we go for short position, and if the consolidation above the 50% of level and if there is any breakout, then we go for the long position. But today traders, if you see after the breakdown, the closing was very far, almost 40 to 50% of our target. If you know from this point, we take our first target close to 100 points in Bank Nifty. If it is Nifty, we target around 50 to 60 points of initial first after the breakout. But in this case, if you see after the breakout, it came around 40, 50 60% closing was around 50 to 60% of our target, so I just avoided, even though it came back and gave a retest. But sit at us today it has given the target, but sometimes this kind of same thing will give a stop loss also. Then people will start crying like today my stop loss got hit and all. So just avoid. See, by avoiding trades, we are not going to lose anything. One should take risk only when there is we see there is a that risk is healthy. Like see here, if the closing was somewhere here, then on the retracement back to this swing low, we could have taken trade. But this risk is not like it's not good. It is very, the closing is very far. Even though it has come after the breakout, it has come to retest, but it is not recommended because it has already uh, coming from almost 60% of our target. And similarly, you can also ask why not in Nifty, even though in Nifty also there was a good consolidation above 50% of the level and there was breakdown also. But if you see after the breakout, there was a support immediately. In this support level, you can see how nicely it acted as a support level. And sometimes I take trades even though when there is a support close to these breakouts. But see, important is how important those support levels are, because if you go back to the chart, you see here, see how nicely Nifty after a big fall has taken a support in this box. See, can you just look at this box? How nicely Nifty has spent almost more than 1.5 day here in this box only. So in such situations, I really avoid any risky trades. So this was a kind of a risky trade, so I just avoided it. And again, you can see market has come within that box level, and again it is stuck at the same levels. And that's it for the day traders. Let's hope for tomorrow we'll get some good trades. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.